Let's use a waterfall chart to visualize our monthly budget. So we have our starting balance, we have our paycheck, bonus, and then we have some expenses here. Make sure your expenses are negative, otherwise they won't show correctly in Excel. So first, go ahead and select your data, go to the Insert tab at the top, Recommended Charts, and then you want to go to All Charts, and then Waterfall. Click OK, and then your chart will populate. First, you can go ahead and change the title. We'll say monthly budget. And then go ahead and hit enter. Now there is an issue here. Notice how we have our increases and decreases, but our total is not showing up correctly. Instead, it's adding this as an additional source of income. So go ahead and isolate this by double clicking, right click, and then you want to set this as the total. So now that we set this as the total, notice how it's showing the correct amount. We have our total here.